Good old South African prep here. So extremely disturbing news that I just saw. An article. I'll put the article up just now, and for my international viewers, I'll translate it. So this farmer got to his farm gate, and there was a whole lot of black people at the farm gate, and they said that the farmer needs to leave because it is now their land or their farm or their ground. You'll see in the photo, it looks like there's a police van at the back. This was in Makwasi in the northwest province of South Africa. So I'll try and find out what has transpired after that. But this is not very good news for South Africa. And I've predicted this before, where I said that the expropriation won't be done by government, it'll be done by local people. And in this case, it is done by a local community or a co-op, as I understand it, that just rocked up and said, well, they will be taking possession of the land now. And there's other videos from the people that actually stood at the gate, videos on their Twitter account or X account that says that they will now farm like the white farmers farm. Very, very troubling time looking ahead for South Africa. This is terrible. Yeah, that's South African paper out. God bless.